Yes, now, bless now, people. Let's not forget the rest now. King of the Pit TV with For Industry. The second album, which is entitled Mods Carve the Pig, yada, yada, yada. We don't have the rest of the title, as whomever uploaded the playlist was quite intelligent and thought, you know what, we'll keep it nice and concise. With all due disrespect to the actual artist and their creative commitment to the title, it is what it is. To Build a Better Bulldozer is the last track of this record. I'm hoping for a couple of riffs because the last couple of tunes have been like clean numbers. All right, let's go. This title list of goes out to my man Jim. It's an instrumental, which is quite a letdown, to be honest. Uploaded 2 years ago, The Beat Goes On has uploaded The Smiths were more influential than you think. I doubt it. I doubt it. I know very much how influential The Smiths were, in all honesty, so have some of that. You're not surprising me. Let me give you some body language information too. Here in the related, it says, this is magical. First time reaction to the Beatles' Hey Jude, I assume. Is that right? Yep. But do you know the way she is positioned in the thumbnail? That's actually a non-verbal cue of boredom, believe it or not. When the hand has to support the head, because the head does not have the energy to actually hold itself up due to a lack of energy, it's symbolic of boredom. So there you go. All right. The body is contrary to the message she's wanting to put out there. I don't make the rules. That's biology. That's evolutionary biology. Come on. A little spider work there. It's like a death metal riff, this. Da, da, da. Very weird trade-off. Come on. I mean, let's be fair. I'll be real. The guitar work generally just sounds like practice shapes, do you know? On the fretboard. That can't be the end. This is the that can't be the end. Where are you? Where are you? That's the most insane panning I've ever heard on this channel. Possibly through my entire listening of music. Jeez, let's listen. Madness, madness. Anyway, we just finished the album. That was an instrumental to finish off with. It wasn't a bad way to finish the record off. But as with most instrumentals, you do think to yourself, you know, it's a cop-out. Because you can throw a vocal on there. Do you know? They'll say, it's an instrumental. And it's like, what? So it's just like half of the song we normally get. And you're trying to pose it as something more. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. But not too bad at all. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're going to finish this record off. I'm going to rate it out of 10 for you. I'll give you a final overview of this album as a whole. I'll see you on that video. See you there.